Hi, I'm Jill from Cedar Mill Library. Do you find that you can't get excited about reading like you used to? Have you found you've been reading the same book for days and even weeks and you just can't seem to finish it? Is it hard for you to concentrate or focus while you read? I know that some of these things have plagued me since I've been staying at home these past weeks. But I recently ran into 6 simple ideas that I have found can kickstart your motivation to read. Try changing your genre. Switch from your regular historical fiction to a mystery or a fantasy, or from modern classics to maybe a romance. Change your format. Try downloading an ebook or an audiobook. You'll find instructions on the website if it's your first time. Do a reread. Explore an old favorite. A second time through can be surprisingly enjoyable. I know because I just reread an old favorite of mine, Rebecca. Set your mood. Find a comfortable chair, a cuddly blanket, a cup of tea, maybe a spot under a shady tree. Review various sites for some ideas. There's great sites out there that can help you see new books, new authors, what's coming out next. Some of these sites include Fantastic Fiction, Goodreads, What Should I Read Next, and Link to Bookish. Most importantly, treat yourself gently. Recognize and respect the difficulties living through these times. Perhaps it's making it harder to concentrate. You don't have to do all of these steps at once, but try taking just a few without any judgment so that you can recapture that joy in reading again. And then let us know. We'd love to hear what works for you. Thank you.